Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to Boguete, Panama.
Why did the chicken cross the road?
Because it had to get to the other side.
So we just got an email from Jackie, who's helping us find land. She's an in with Panamanians. So she sent out a message to over 100 Panamanians that we're looking for land. And we just got one. She said, "Good morning, Kaylee and Jordan. From my sources, I got a call from a Panamanian with 1.5 hectares of land in Homestead, which is where we're looking.
No way.
It has a river at the bottom of the property and great borrow views. Are you available to go see it this afternoon?
Yes.
If so, what time is available for you?"
Oh my god.
So I just want to slip in here real quick. For those of you that haven't been following along with all the videos that we've posted before, we had a piece of land that we found that we love. It looks like this. It's amazing. The view is one of the best views I've ever seen. It's up in the mountains. It's only 10 minutes from town, but it's still so private. And you have a view of a volcano all day, all night. It's amazing. And it's everything that we were looking for. But we got some news that if we buy land direct from a Panamanian, rather than going through a realtor, it's significantly cheaper. So this experience is us going directly through Panamanians rather than going through a realtor, and now we're starting to have second thoughts that, you know, maybe that piece of land that we loved, maybe it's just a little bit too expensive. So this is that experience. Let's go back to the video. You guys will be learning really quick how nice everyone is here. This is Olga, she runs the place, calls everyone her love.
Everyone's been telling us to come here, but we've just been stuck in sugar and spice, so we're finally branching out and experiencing some other restaurants.
Just finished up an awesome little breakfast. The best thing is you can eat here for $5 or $6 a person. And we've been going out to eat a lot more than we usually do, but we're not complaining because we're getting all this very, very authentic Panamanian food, a lot of American food too. There's definitely a huge American influence, but that's something that we love about it. Like, we really genuinely like the American influence to live. And that's because there's a lot of the same infrastructure as the States. And one of those big pieces of infrastructure is Amazon. And being able to get whatever you want in a few days. And the good thing is, they have Amazon here.
It's a game changer.
We'll show you how they do it.
Address 1345 Northwest.
I don't know how this is legal.
I don't know either.
You don't pay customs on anything. That's crazy.
It makes things so much easier because you guys know we had so many issues with customs when we were trying to get things shipped to Mexico. Things were stuck in customs for months and months.
So it takes, basically what you do with Amazon is you have it shipped to a place in Miami, and then they bring it from Miami to Panama.
City.
And it costs like $3 to $5 a pound. And it's not that bad according, just being able to get packages in general is amazing.
It's huge.
And be able to get anything, especially as we're building this, tiny house community.
And you said it could take between, what, 3 to 5 days?
3 to 5 days.
Which is like, what? That's crazy.
Do you want to be on YouTube? ¿Qué pasa?
¿Qué pasa, amigo?
How are you?
How are you doing? Good.
Thanks, Arturo. See ya. Stopped to see our buddy Arturo, as some of you guys may know, hooking us up with some coffee beans. They have the best coffee around here.
He is by far the best coffee maker, best barista I've ever had.
Hi, Jackie. How are you doing? Are you serious, Jackie? Look at this license plate, Kaylee.
Oh yeah.
That's amazing!
It came off the other day, so I gotta put it back on. I need to put it back on.
So Jackie's taking us to look for land. This is the Panamanian guy right here that has the land. Jackie doesn't know him, but this deal is much different, and talking to this guy's gonna be a lot different than driving around with a realtor. And I'll tell you, the price of this land is about half of what we were looking at before, and it's 50% bigger. Well, it looks like there's already a squatter. Might have to pay him off. Oh. Well, it's obviously a lot more difficult to tell what's going on because this land isn't cleared. You know, but it's pretty narrow. It goes to about where those trees are over there.
To this fence.
To this fence where this little cow is.
And the cow is not included, unfortunately.
And it goes all the way down that way to a river.
So it's basically just one big
like slight slant down to a river.
It's definitely hotter here too.
It's warmer, probably by 5 degrees than up north. But this guy has another spot up north, so we're gonna go there. Well, this is the second lot, and you can immediately tell how much more overgrown it is. Really, really nice view. You know, you can see the volcano, see the town.
It's a beautiful view.
But it's really up a steep hill to get here.
It's a gnarly hill. I think that's the steepest hill I've ever driven up on in a car.
Yeah, for sure. We couldn't even drive up it. We had to walk up it.
Yeah.
So it's nice. I know it's a nice price, but it's difficult to get to.
I know we only looked at 2 more, but my heart is just so set on that first one.
We gotta keep looking. We gotta keep looking.
I know. It's just, we've looked at so many and nothing is compared to that one right now.
Bye, Jackie.
I don't want to think of it as wasted time.
No, not wasted time.
No, but
No.
I don't think either of those are an option.
No, yeah, something. Either of those are worth considering. They're much
cheaper.
Yeah,
but
much less expensive.
You're getting what you pay for. You know what I mean?
Yeah. So I can tell that Kaylee's heart is still set on that last one. Just to give you.
I can't help it. I just gotta be honest with you guys. We've looked at a lot of land. Nothing has brought me like that sense of like. It sounds so lame, but like I just instantly knew. I instantly just felt. This is it.
Yeah.
This is freaking it.
Just so you know, yesterday we actually made a counteroffer to the counteroffer that we got on that land. All right, so we just counteroffered their counteroffer. Just walking back from the real estate office now. Picked up a couple pineapples, 2 for $1.
And then yesterday we actually got really, really good news about our fuel pump.
So my plan this whole time was to change this fuel pump myself. But then Kaylee over here got a call from her dad. And her dad gave me some really good advice. And that was, don't mess around with a bomb when you don't need to. So I'm respecting that advice. I think it's very good advice. And I have a mechanic that's changed it for me for $60. He's the best dressed mechanic I've ever seen.
Is it good?
He wears a really nice shirt. He wears a dress shirt to do his work. Yeah. Well, here's our fuel tank. And you can see how rusty this is. That's just from that main salt on the roads, those chemicals that they put on for the ice. But it's all out. Now we just need to get some containers because we need to take the gas out to get all the rust out from the inside. Yeah. All right, this bus has been immobile for 2 weeks. It's the reason that we're coming to Boquete. This fuel pump is the reason why we're moving to Boquete. We wouldn't be doing that if it wasn't for this rusty old fuel pump.
Absolutely. So we should thank this rusty old fuel pump for bringing us here.
Let's give it a go and see if it turns on.
Come on. Give us some gas. Oh. Woo! Baby! Woo!
Two gentlemen right here are our saviors. Muchas gracias. Es un regalo para tú.
Oh.
Today's para tú, today's para tú.
Thank you.
Okay? So if you guys have ever wondered what all these names carved into the rooftop of our deck are, these are our patrons. So these guys support us on Patreon, help support this production, help support our YouTube channel. And one of our tiers is we'll carve your name into our roof deck.
For all of eternity.
So if any of you guys want your name carved into our roof deck, there's a link to our Patreon in the description.
Well, you guys, Jordan's going to take a quick ride actually up to the land that we have our hearts truly set on. Because it's actually raining up there right now, and a lot of you guys had some really good advice to go look at the land while it's raining and see what the water flow is like to make sure that there's not a bunch of issues with the land when it rains.
Wow. Damn. We're taking your guys' advice as much as possible. I don't want you guys to think that when you're leaving comments, it's a little. I don't want you guys to think that when you're leaving comments, sending us emails, that we're totally ignoring it. We're taking as much advice as we possibly can, and one of the most popular pieces of advice that we've gotten is to come and look at the land in the rain. And it's raining right now. It's not super heavy. It's not a super hard rain. So far, so good. I'm gonna walk around, see if anything surprises me.
So we get some corn chowder cooking on the stove. We haven't had corn chowder, never mind corn chowder, but soup in general, probably in months and months and months. in the meantime, while we're waiting for him to come back and give us the news on that and the update on that, I need to show you guys the sky right now. Look at this. I mean, it doesn't even do the justice at all, but it is like the most beautiful cotton candy pink skies right now.
I'm sorry, I just can't get enough. Look at that! Are you kidding me? I've never seen anything like that. Look at that! Look at how the cloud goes up towards the mountain. I feel like that guy, you know, the guy's like, double rainbow! I feel like that guy right now. This is unbelievable. This view's insane. Are you kidding me?
What?
I'm sorry, I just can't get enough.
Oh my god.
Are you kidding me?
Oh my god. Dude, you know what's so funny?
What?
I literally just put a little clip in the part where I was talking about you going up there.
Yeah.
Because I went outside and saw the sky.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh my god. But it looked like it was raining up at the spot, so.
It wasn't. It just finished when I got there.
Ah, so was
It's
it wet?
so beautiful. That needs to be our home.
Dude, I know.
Hopefully we just get that price right, because it's not right now.
Guys. So here is the finished product. I promise it tastes way better than it looks. But actually, this batch, I didn't do all too well. I made it perfect 2 nights ago, but tonight I went way too heavy on the pepper.
I've been telling you for a couple of weeks we gotta tone down the spices.
I know.
She's been having this saying that if you can't see the spices, there's not enough, and I just.
But you know what? I still believe that is the truth. But
Well, I couldn't
I
disagree
feel
more.
like I just went way over the threshold. Like I saw it, but then I like really saw it this time. So I know what to do next time. But anyway, I promise the original recipe with less pepper is delicious. And we're gonna share that recipe with you guys on our website for free. If you wanna go check it out right now, we'll put the link in the description below.
So you guys, this is where we're gonna say goodnight. What a day of looking for land. I just feel like I'm starting to get a little antsy and like
Yeah,
I want to make something happen, but we're just gonna keep going with the process, keep going with the flow,
Trust
we'll-
the process.
and we'll bring you guys along for the ride.
Absolutely. So we love you guys so much, and thank you again so much. We've gotten an incredible amount of encouragement and positive feedback from you guys, which has only made this decision for us so much easier. So we thank you guys for that. So see you guys very soon. We love you. Adios.